So, because the last time I decided I'm gonna play this game again. Will you press the button? Hey, what is going on, everybody? I am back today with another video, and this is interesting. Like, I'm doing more of this game because Plants vs. Zombies 2 is starting to get repetitive. Heck, I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna hate it when it becomes the main series again instead of just it. But we'll see. And because I like the game. So, I didn't make any custom one this time, and no one honestly replied if they would hit mine. But hey, uh, let's just get right into the game and see if I'll hit any buttons, and see if I won't. You have anything in the world, but a rabbit has to poop on your face for 18 hours a day. No. So, yeah, a lot of people didn't. So, I've owned bunnies. That's actually happened to me. Not as long as 18 hours, but it has happened to me before. Trust me, it's even worse than you'd think. Um,
Marijuana.
Ah, that's how it's spelled. Well, as someone who despises drugs, no. Yeah, 75% of people didn't. Ugh. You become immortal, but you witness the death of every single person you've met. That's what immortality is. I don't want immortality. Oh, okay. Like, I know from the last episode I had immortality, but it was also with the love of my life. So, because being immortal, period, that's just sad, because you can find loves, you'll end up losing them almost instantly, and basically you'll be skips from regular show. Except not buff. You master every instrument in the world, but you can no longer walk. No, I. Okay. Wow, 69% didn't, of course. Um, not being able to walk is kind of bad, because then what's the point? If you can't walk, then you can't play some of the instruments, because don't some instruments require you to be able to use your legs? Ugh. You have an item of your choice that is completely indestructible, and you can summon it to whisk it away whisk it away whenever you please. So, I'm trying to think of an example here. I'll be right back while I think of an example for a master weapon. That's all I could think of. But the item is silent and can talk to you temporarily whenever it wants and is extremely annoying. Okay, that one reminds me of a. Okay, that actually. Um, that one helps this situation. Mighty Magiswords. Dolphin Magisword. Like, I like it, but it's pretty annoying if any of you have seen that show. I don't think it's indestructible, but you guys get my point. You can never be late for anything, but you will always have you will always be 4 hours early. I'm fine with that. Like, come on. Like, a matter of, like, 4 hours early. Sure. Depends on what I'm going to. I'll press that. And of course you close. I wanted to see how the results of that one as well. That sucks. You get your own island and 500 million as funding money. Oh no. China may nuke you in 5 years. Why specifically China? You see, here's the thing. I don't want my own island, and it says funding money, meaning it gives me the 500 million to use on the rent of the island, or whatever you want to consider it. Like, being able to do stuff on the island. No. Yeah, that's not that split, but it's split. North Korea and Ireland are disarmed, and their people are freed from all the. But when's the who? I have no idea who this woman is, but I'm not gonna hit it because it, I'm pretty sure she's dead, maybe. So if she is, then we'd end up having a zombie president, and I'd rather not that. You become the most beautiful person on the planet. Every time someone looks in your eyes, they turn to stone. So, basically, what I see from this is, you guys know that story of God gave a guy the power to turn whatever he touches into gold, and it ends up being a curse when he touches his daughter and food, turning them to pure solid gold. This is how I see that. You become beautiful, the most attractive person on the entire earth. Everyone will love you, essentially, yada. But if you look at someone, they become stone. It reminds me of that. That's my point. I am not hitting that. Okay. Oh yeah, another good example is that show with Poseidon's son. Whatever that show was called, that movie, I mean, was called, where Medusa was a pretty woman. Well, as a disguise, a pretty woman, but really the serpent dwelling she beast. Whatever. You gain the power of invisibility, but you cannot use it for personal gain or evil. If you do, your loved ones die. So basically, I get invisibility and get to become a superhero. That's what I would do anyways if I had invisibility. Heck yes. Really? 52% of people are really gonna use it for personal gain or evil. That's just... You prevent a madman from cutting off your legs, but you lose your... What is this? Play video games. I play video games. I need my thumbs more than my legs. Exactly what I was thinking. Just get a wheelchair. I didn't press the button because this won't happen to me. Right? Like, they are... It's a loss. No matter what. This is a loss no matter what. Like, you kind of need thumbs to do everything. You will save the humanity from ultimate evil, but you will never get the credit, and you would be blamed for the methods you used for the rest of your life. Well, to be a hero is not always to get praise. Just like Oliver Queen when he was actually being a hero before people, well, not people, but before the police ever liked him. So yes, I'll hit that button because it... Your favorite family member will live forever and to always be with you, but all other family members will die permanently. Live forever, die Death is permanent. No. I am not happy. Yeah, a bunch of people's not hitting that. You are the dictator of the United States for no longer than 8 years. So basically, I win the elections 2 times in a row. That's what I'm getting. Then your normal president comes in after your term. So, literally, presidency. But you are arrested in the end. If you're a dictator, you're going to be arrested anyways. I'm not hitting this. I will never be a dictator. I don't want to be a dictator. 76% of people don't want to be. The 28% that, I mean, the 24% of you that did press it, what the flip? You will be the smartest person in the world and rich, but you never touch a PC forever. Is that meant to mean you can never own a PC? Well, that's fine because a laptop isn't a PC. A laptop has the workings of a PC, but a PC is the main computer frame that hooks up to a monitor. So I'm gonna hit that button. There's no downsides for me. Beep you. I was talking to the ad, just so you guys know. Ability to understand, read, and write any language of your choice, but you will never be able to speak in another language other than your first language ever. So, I'll be able to understand when I'll be able to understand Chinese, but I will never be able to speak it. I will be able to read Chinese, but I'll never be able to speak it. I'm fine with that. You have no idea how many Chinese restaurants I have been to, looked at a menu. Well, not a menu, but like one of the scrolls on the walls, and was like, I wonder what that says. I would no longer have to wonder. I don't care if I don't speak the other languages, as long as I can understand them. You are immortal and can go to any time in your life you want, even if you haven't lived it. So basically, I can never die, and oh, you are immortal. I just realized I didn't read that part. Anyways, so basically, I'm immortal with the ability to time travel. But no one can see you, hear you, or notice you. You can't do anything. So, I'm Peter Griffin in that one episode where he was playing golf, died, and death was showing him around. I am not hitting this button. 60% of people agree. You have all the money you will ever need, but you must drink 1 cup of dishwater every day. Yeah, I'm willing to do that for my family. We are that broke. You learn / grow fit / develop yourself. I don't know what that part means. 5 times as fast. Wait, grow fit, then. But you can only eat tacos for the rest of your life. You see, I like tacos. I would love to be able to get super buff 5 times as fast. But I don't want to deny myself of bacon, so no. Yeah. Oh boy, this one. I'm gonna do 2 more, including this one. 3, I guess. But Be the first person to talk to an terrestrial gifted with gold and mass amounts of intelligence as their sign of peace, but time skips 5 years and it feels like 10 minutes to you. So basically, alien abduction, but backwards. Where they take you for what is to them 20 years or so, but for the Earth, 2 minutes. No, thank you. Okay, that ad's just stupid. I'm really sick of that one. You become the ruler of a distant fantasy land, but you have to marry your sibling and have 3. No! 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 68% of you are smart! No! You'll be immortal. No. This will be my last one I'm gonna do. I'm sorry that I'm doing one more than what I just said, but immortal, instant no, you guys understand. You will live on a space station, but you will have to watch every cheesy movie with robots. Well, if Markiplier was, if Markiplier got this one, I bet he would press that button in a heartbeat. But I, however, do not like space stations because they just... with the lack of gravity and a lot of stuff like that, it's just really annoying. Also, the worry of nearly dying due to stuff. But, yeah, guys, this was more Will You Press the Button? Mostly hit some no's, but that's to be expected. But, hey, it was nice being able to play this game again. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe if I do another one, I'll actually have face cam because there is a little bit of space for that. But we'll see what my condition is. But yeah. Until then, guys, I am going to be ending this video here. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I will see you all next time, and goodbye.